Good morning, student. Now, in our previous lecture of logic gate, we have studied about AND gate, NOT gate, and OR gate. Now, in this lecture, we are going to study about NAND gate. NAND gate, that means NAND gate is the equivalent or combination of AND plus NOT gate. That means if A and B are two input, then the result after performing NAND gate is A dot B and complement of A dot B, that means A dot B bar. Now if we are going to talk about truth table for NAND gate, then suppose that if we have two input A, B, then we have performed the truth table. The truth table for NAND gate is if A and B are two input and the value of A is 0, 0, 1, 1 and the value of B is 0, 1, 0, 1. You can see that. Then if we have performed A and B, then 0 and 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 1, 1, 1. That means if we are going to take the output after applying NAND gate, then NAND gate produce 1. That means high voltage if both the input is high, otherwise low. And when we are going to performing the NOT gate on the A dot B, A and B, then it's invert all the output. That means all the zeros are converted into 1 and 1 will become in 0. That means the final result is 1, 1, 1, 0. This is our final result 1, 1, 1, 0. And the symbol for logic gate, the circuit diagram for NAND gate is, you can see that this is your circuit diagram of NAND gate. This is your circuit diagram of NAND gate A, B, and the output is A dot B bar. That means complement of A and B. Now similarly we have the NOR gate. NOR gate is the combination of OR and NOT gate, and this is your circuit diagram of NOR gate. Now if we are going to take the truth table for NOR gate, then suppose that we have taken A and B as input. There are two input A and B, and now the value of A is 0, 0, 1, 1 and the value of B is 0, 1, 0, 1. Now when we are going to perform OR gate, then 0 or 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 and 1, 1, 1. That means OR gate produce all the output as high if either of the one input is high, otherwise low. If both the input is low, then it produce low, otherwise it produce the high output, that means 1. And when we are going to take the complement of A or B, then 0 is converted into 1 and 1 will converted into 0. That means the result is 1, 0, 0, 0. This is the truth table and circuit diagram of NOR gate. Now our next gate is XOR gate. Our next gate is XOR gate. This is exclusive OR gate, and you can see the circuit diagram of your XOR gate. This is the circuit diagram and this is the truth table. This is truth table for XOR gate. This is your truth table. Now see here, if number of 1s, that means if number of 1s is odd, then output is high, otherwise output will low. That means in our input, if the number of 1 is find odd, then it produce the result as high, otherwise the output will be, result will be low. And this is the symbol of XOR gate, the plus symbol in circle. This is the symbol of your XOR gate. Now Suppose that here the value of A is 0, 0, 1, 1 and the value of B is 0, 1, 0, 1. Here 0, 0, that means there is the no oneness, that means number of 1 is 0, then the output will be 0. Here in second case the value of A is 0 and B is 1 and the number of oneness, that means yeah, there is two input, one is 0 and one is second one is 1. That means here number of oneness is 1 and 1 is the odd, that's why the result will be 1. Similarly here the number of oneness is odd, then this will produce 1. Here 1 and 1, that means there are two input and both are the input is high, that means 1, and here number of oneness is 2, 2 is the even number, that's why here result will be 0. This is the truth table for XOR gate. If when we have take three input, suppose that if we are going to take A, B, C, suppose that 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, suppose that 1, 1, 1. Now if we are going to perform this result, then we can say that here the number of oneness is odd, here the number of oneness is even, here the number of oneness is odd, then the value is become number of oneness is odd, then 1, otherwise 0, otherwise 1. So this is the concept of your XOR gate. So I hope you have understand the function of XOR gate, how the output is produced in XOR gate. In our next lecture we have seen about more expression. So thank you for watching today.